What if I told you that you could make an extra $1,000 every single month without going to work, without a second job, and without winning the lottery? Sounds too good to be true, right? But here is the thing. Thousands of ordinary people in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia are already doing exactly this. And the best part? They started with just $100. My name is not important. What is important is what I am about to share with you in the next 9 minutes, because this information could completely change your financial future forever. Today at Capital Growth Lab, we are going to break down exactly how to build $1,000 a month in passive income, starting with just $100. We will cover the best passive income strategies available right now, how much you need to invest to reach $1,000 per month, the exact platforms to use depending on where you live, and a realistic timeline so you know exactly what to expect. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because the strategy I share in section 4 is the one most people completely overlook, and it is honestly the most powerful one on this entire list. Before we dive in, let us get one thing straight. Passive income does not mean doing absolutely nothing forever. It means doing the work once or investing money once and then getting paid repeatedly over and over again with little to no ongoing effort. Think of it like planting a tree. You plant it once, you water it a little, and then it produces fruit for years and years without you having to plant it again. That is exactly what passive income is. Now let us talk about the 5 best passive income streams you can start with just $100 today. Number 1 is high yield savings accounts and money market accounts. This is the easiest starting point for absolute beginners. In the US right now, platforms like Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Ally Bank, and SoFi are offering between 4 and 5% interest annually on savings accounts. In the UK, you can get between 4 and 5% on easy access savings accounts with providers like Chase UK and Adam Bank. In Canada, platforms like EQ Bank offer around 3 to 4%. In Australia, ING and UBank offer competitive high-interest savings rates. Now, I know what you are thinking. 4 or 5% does not sound like much. But here is the thing. This is your foundation, your completely safe, zero-risk starting point while you build the rest of your passive income streams. $100 in a 5% account earns $5 a year. Not life-changing on its own, but combined with everything else we are about to cover, it becomes the base of a powerful passive income machine. Number 2 is dividend investing. This is where things start to get genuinely exciting. Dividend investing means buying shares in companies or funds that pay you a portion of their profits regularly, usually every quarter. Some of the best dividend ETFs available right now include SCHD, which is the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, with a yield of around 3.5%. JEPI, which is the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF, with a yield of around 7 to 8%, and VYM, which is the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, with a yield of around 3%. Now, here is the critical question everyone asks. How much do I need invested to make $1,000 per month from dividends alone? At an average yield of 5%, you would need around $240,000 invested. That sounds like a lot right now, but remember, you are starting today with $100 and building consistently over time. Someone investing $500 per month into a dividend ETF yielding 5% will reach $1,000 per month in passive dividend income in approximately 12 to 15 years. And that timeline gets shorter every single time you increase your monthly contributions. Number 3 is real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs. If you have ever wanted to invest in real estate but do not have the money to buy a property, REITs are your answer. A REIT is essentially a company that owns income-producing real estate, like office buildings, shopping centers, apartment complexes, and warehouses. When you buy shares in a REIT, you become a part owner of all those properties, and you receive a share of the rental income they generate. The best part is you can start investing in REITs with as little as $1 through platforms like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or trading 212 in the UK. Some of the most popular REITs for passive income include Realty Income Corporation, which pays monthly dividends and has increased its dividend for over 25 consecutive years. Public Storage, which is one of the largest self-storage companies in the world. And British Land in the UK, which offers exposure to commercial real estate across the country. REITs are legally required to pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends, which is why they tend to offer some of the highest yields available. Average REIT yields range from 4 to 8% annually, making them one of the most efficient passive income vehicles available to everyday investors. Number 4 is creating digital products. And this is the strategy I promised you that most people completely overlook. A digital product is something you create once and sell unlimited times with zero ongoing production cost. Think of ebooks, online courses, templates, presets, printables, and digital guides. Here is a real-world example. Imagine you spend one weekend creating a simple 20-page budgeting guide as a PDF ebook. You upload it to platforms like Gumroad, Etsy Digital Downloads, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. You price it at $9.99. If just 3 people buy it every single day, that is roughly $30 per day or $900 per month in completely passive income. From a product you created once over a single weekend. The startup cost? Potentially zero if you already have a computer, or as little as $10 to $20 for design tools like Canva Pro. This is why digital products are one of the most powerful passive income streams available, especially for people starting with very little money. Number 5 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting other companies' products and earning a commission every time someone buys through your unique link. You do not need to create a product, handle customer service, or manage inventory. You simply recommend products you genuinely believe in and earn a percentage of every sale. Some of the highest paying affiliate programs in the finance niche include the Robinhood Affiliate Program, which pays up to $20 per new user sign-up, the Coinbase Affiliate Program, which pays up to $50 per new user, NordVPN, which pays up to 100% commission on first-month subscriptions, and Bluehost Web Hosting, which pays between $65 and $130 per referral. A finance YouTube channel like Capital Growth Lab is actually perfectly positioned for affiliate marketing because your audience is already interested in financial products and services. Even with a small audience of just 2,000 subscribers, a well-placed affiliate link in your video description can generate hundreds of dollars per month in completely passive commission income. So now let us put this all together into a realistic passive income roadmap, starting with just $100 today. In month 1, you take your $100 and open a high-yield savings account. This is your emergency fund foundation, and it starts earning interest immediately. From month 2 onwards, you commit to investing even a small amount every single month. Even $50 to $100 per month makes a significant difference over time thanks to compound growth. By month 3, you start building your first digital product. Spend one weekend creating a simple finance-related ebook or template. Upload it to Gumroad or Etsy and let it start generating income passively. By month 6, you begin investing in dividend ETFs like SCHD or JEPI through a platform like Fidelity in the US, Trading 212 in the UK, Wealthsimple in Canada, or Stake in Australia. You reinvest every dividend you receive back into buying more shares. This is called dividend reinvestment, and it dramatically accelerates your wealth building timeline. By month 12, you should have multiple passive income streams working simultaneously. Your savings account earning interest, your dividend ETFs paying quarterly income, your digital product generating occasional sales, and if you have set up affiliate links in your Capital Lab video descriptions, those will be generating commission income too. Here is what a realistic passive income picture looks like after 12 months of consistent action, starting with $100 and adding $100 per month. High yield savings interest approximately $15 to $20 per month. Dividend ETF income approximately $10 to $15 per month. Digital product sales approximately $100 to $300 per month. Affiliate marketing commissions approximately $50 to $200 per month. Total passive income after just 12 months approximately $175 to $535 per month. Not yet $1,000, but you are more than halfway there in just 1 year. And here's the critical thing to understand. Passive income is not linear, it is exponential. The longer you stay consistent, the faster it grows. Most people who reach $1,000 per month in passive income find that getting from $1,000 to $2,000 per month actually takes less time than it took to reach the first 1,000. Because by then your investments are larger, your digital products have more reviews and sales history, and your affiliate audience is bigger. The hardest part is simply starting, and you can start today with just $100. So here's your action plan starting right now. Step 1, open a high-yield savings account today and deposit your first $100. Step 2, commit to adding even $50 per month to your investments going forward. Step 3, spend this weekend brainstorming one digital product you could create based on something you already know. Step 4, subscribe to Capital Growth Lab and turn on notifications, because every single week we share practical strategies just like these to help you build real, lasting wealth. The journey to $1,000 per month in passive income starts with a single step, and that step is the one you take today. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling me which passive income stream you are going to start with first. I read every single comment and I will personally reply to yours. See you in the next Capital Growth Lab video.